Check this out. They say that the Carmtex RV wireless level wizard makes leveling your RV fast and ridiculously easy with no wires and no apps required. Sounds a little too good to be true? Well, we'll see because I'm testing it out today. And at the end, I'm going to give you my honest Randy's rating. Will this be a total game changer or my next biggest regret? So, is something good about to happen today? Let's find out. This leveling system consists of two parts, the base module and the remote module. And then these two are going to pair up together and talk to each other. I'll show you what I mean. And to turn them on, we need to hold and press the on-off button on both of them, and that's located right there. It's kind of hard to see because it's black, just like the module is, but I'm going to hold it down. 1, 2, 3. See, the lights are flashing. Now let's do it with the remote module. The button on the remote module is right there. Once again, kind of hard to see because it's black. And press it and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it already lit up. There we go. So now they're both paired up. Before we test this and see exactly how level my camper currently is or isn't, I wanted to show you that they also recommend that you extend the legs. And let me show you. You just pull it out like that on each side. And then they're fully extended. Oh my gosh, they go way out. Okay, I got to extend this side further. There we go. Okay. Now they're fully extended. Also on the base here, you can see that it says front right there. That should say right. And left on this side, and then this side back here says back. So when you place this on the floor inside your camper, you want to make sure the front is facing towards the front of the camper, the back, etc. And so let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, this is kind of funny or not. I thought my camper was level, but it's not. Take a look at this. The front and the left side are flashing red. That means I'm not level side to side, or I'm not level front to back either. And check this out. So this is what you would have with you when you're sitting inside your tow vehicle. And let's see, this is the front. This says front right here. So see how these flashing lights match those flashing lights? So when you're inside your tow vehicle, you're going to have this with you, and you're going to be able to see if you're level from side to side and front to back. And what you're mostly going to be concerned about, of course, is side to side when you're in your tow vehicle. But these two are identical, and they'll match each other. So let me do this. Brought this up on the table, so I wanted to do a quick little demo. If a side is low, then that side will be red. So when I lift this red side up, opposite side should then turn red. Okay, this isn't working, and it's not working front to back either. The lights didn't change at all when I'm moving it. Okay, the instructions say that we might need to recalibrate the level wizard, so that's what we're going to do next, because that should solve the problem. And it says to do this, we need to turn the base off, and the light should be off. Yep, the lights are off. Okay, now we have to reach under and hold the power button for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until the left and right flash green, and then release our hand. It says after a few seconds, all 4 of the legs should turn green, which they did, and so we're calibrated. Okay, now let's put this to the test. I'm going to turn the remote module on. Okay, so I'm doing this live with you guys. Now, what should happen is when I lift the leg up on the base model, I'm expecting that the light on the remote and the light on here is going to turn red, because when it turns red, that means that's the lowest side. So if I raise this side up, let's see what happens. Okay, oh my gosh, it's working. Look at that. So this would mean the left side of our camper would need to be raised. Well, that's pretty slick. Okay, let's test the front to back out. So when I lift the back, the front light should turn red, indicating that that is the lowest part. Yep, there you go. That is working perfectly. I'm going to set this back on the floor of my camper, and let's see if now it indicates that I'm level, like I thought I was. It looks like it's saying I'm almost level. When it flashes yellow like that, that means I'm almost level. So it's not perfectly level, but it's real close. And I'm going to lift this up. Yep, that turns red. Now I'm holding down the front and the left side, and you can see that those are the sides that need to be raised. Let's do just the opposite here. Let's raise the left side and the front. Now you can see the right side and the rear side lights are flashing red, meaning that those are the sides that need to be raised to get me level. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is going to work ideally, in my opinion, if you have a leveling ramps, like the curved levelers. Because then as you're backing up onto the curved leveler, you can see exactly at what point your camper is going to be level side to side. The curved levelers that I use and I absolutely love are made by the same company that makes this Level Wizard. If you don't have them, I highly recommend you get them. I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link to these levelers in the video description below. Okay, first, let's talk about the pros. And the first pro is it just works. And it's really easy to set up and really easy to use. Of course, I had to calibrate it, but that was really easy to do. And the instructions were real clear on exactly how to do it. And it worked after I calibrated it. So that wasn't a big deal. I love how the red lights shine. That's going to make it super easy for you to know exactly what side you need to raise to get your camper level. Oh, it's a little windy out here today. Okay, another feature that I'm really impressed by is this will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. So just in case you forget to turn it off, you're not going to be wasting your battery. So that's a really nice feature. Also, they say that this remote will work up to 70 feet. So it's going to have enough range to work for all different lengths of RVs. I do wish it came with batteries, but that's not a deal breaker either. And at the time of this recording, it sells for $79 on Amazon. I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link to this product in the video description below. And thank you for using my affiliate link. I really appreciate you. Okay, my official rating for the Carmtex Wireless Level Wizard is 8 out of 10. Now, I'd say something good just happened. Let me know in the comments what you think about this thing. And if you did like this review, please let me know by hitting the like button right below this video, so I know to keep them coming.